And today in this video I will gonna show you how to fix a dead iPhone. So as you can see, it's dead, it's not working. Even I try to turn on this phone. Can you hear this sound? I try to on this phone, it's not getting on. And here I also hold the power key, but it's not working. It's not getting on. So today in this video I will gonna show you the simple way to fix this problem. So first of all, you need to open this 2 screw. I already opened it. So here is the one, this 2 screw. So, and after that, try to remove your phone with a suction cup or from here. Remove it very carefully. So remove it very carefully, because here is the home key. I already repaired it. Here is the home key, and here is the just remove normally here, as you can see. Here is the, you see, I opened this battery cover and again putting the battery here inside it. So now let's try to on it. Let's see. So now it's on. So it's very simple. You need to open this 2 screw, and with this help of suction cup, give a pressure over it, and just remove this touch and glass, and simply open this battery connector, and again put it, so it will work. So if you like this video, click on thumbs up. If you like this video, click on thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.